Okay, hello all. So, as you can see, an interesting package on my desk. Yes, I need to find a knife because I don't know where it is here. Here it is. So, DHL Express, and a really express package I must say, because from Hong Kong to my hands 36 hours. Yes, 36 hours. 2 working days almost. So nothing inside else. You can see, ooh, in the back audience. So really nice box. As I said, this Obris Morgan got boxes similar to Obris. So sticky. So a lot of this. I like this. I will use this for trans shipping my watches. Good, they included me. Look at that. And that is what? Obris Morgan timepieces instrumental watch, waterproof, IPS 66 pressure earthquake. Oh! Really nice box, as you can see. Presentation is really nice. I don't know what is this. Maybe it is unlocked. So yes, then this sounded no. Okay. Da, 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 da. So watch is here. We will go by see a nice foam, really nice packaging. Here is an manual, technique information, diff rate, daily amplitude bidder roll is not written. Maybe I will write it myself when I put it into my time grapher. Okay. Oh, I got free strap for my watch. GNU letter? No, not. Okay, here we have Obris Morgan warranty card, date of my purchase. Yes, as you can see, this is a credit card. And here we have some free spring bars. Nothing else in here. And here we have the watch itself. So you can see the 20 YJ movement is there. This is GNU letter, Obris Morgan handcraft military strap, and some serial number. I want to open it so I can remove the thing from it. The dial is 3D. I don't know if you can see it. So let's unwrap it. This is winding, and this is bezel rotation. Although I think tachymeter bezel rotation is not a good thing. The better idea would be to have an GMT hand there. So winding is working. GMT hand changing, and hour change also working. So everything is in working order. We can compare it to my pretty similar hand style. As you can see, there is also out reflecting coating or not. And what else? You can see I have the 3 pieces from 900, so or 30 313, yes, 313. So on last time, let's check the loom on it. Wait a minute, I will just put it on here. I have my UV light here, and let's see the loom. So pretty basic loom, so it will be super loomed by me. And what else? As you can see how the hands lighted up. So see here, this is also rep loom, so pretty basic loom. The last thing maybe to put it on my hand, and we will finish the video. I will make a review, a couple of shoots. So feel my wrist. The strap is not bad, I must say. It's really comfy. It's from the better reps. So my wrist. So what do you think? Do you like it? I like it pretty much, but yes, I know what's the problem. I ordered with yellow hands, not orange one. So this is the issue. Yes, I remember now. Oh, but was received, and let's make some photo. Okay, thank you for watching. Very nice box. I like it. There is nothing much else inside, and I hope I will wear this watch. No, I will. Okay, Al, so see you later. Bye. And one more thing I remember. Do you see this cover? This is from a game, and I think this is from Stalker, for sure. This is not the photo, this is from a game. Lol. Okay, bye.